Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ram 1500 Sport 4x4. This will have the 5.7 liter V8 HEMI and it's running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Okay, you see that it does have painted alloy wheels. Power sliding back window, and it does have a bed cover, dual exhaust, tow package. See, it does have a spray-on bed liner, and there's rubber floor mats in there. All right, go ahead and take a tour of the interior. So it does have a combo between leather and fabric interior. Right there you see you have an additional power source and stowage boxes right here. And then here's your VIN right here, and I will upload still photos of these as well. Come down here, you'll see that it has 42,171 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your push to talk, your trip computer toggles, your cruise control. Down here you have your push button start, 2- and 4-wheel drive. And then you have both heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. Phone charging station. Power supply right there, cup holders. There's your key fob, and it looks like you have remote start. And you also have a 115 volt outlet right here. Come up here, here's your touchscreen interface. There's your climate, your media, of which you do have AM, FM, Bluetooth, MP3 through auxiliary or USB. Okay, that about wraps it up for that. Okay, and as you come over here, you got your glove compartment, map reading lights, and that about wraps it up for the interior of this Ram. Alright, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front, of which the airbags did deploy, but there was no structural damage. So we got it all fixed up, and it has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.